Here's my vision board. I'm so excited for the new year. Are you ready for it? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a vision board that will actually work for your year goals. Hi Moghul Makers, my name is Raylan from MogulMakers.com, helping you to market, monetize, and mogul up. If this is your first time joining us, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button below. We will be happy to have you. I'm really excited to share this video with you because it is one of my absolute favorite topics, which is goal setting. Comment below yes if you are going to make a vision board this year. I've been receiving tons of email and a lot of questions about creating a vision board and if it is needed. I've been creating a vision board since 2014 and a lot of things have been coming to fruition in reality. Each year I set my long-term goals for the year and I create a visual representation of it. I use it because it helps motivate me, it helps inspire me, it makes me focus more on my long-term goals for the year. In this video, I'm going to show you what is a vision board, why is it practical to use, and why do you need to make one. I will be discussing how do you create a vision board. Third, I will be showing you my vision board, an overview of it. If you would like to see the vision board tutorial of what I exactly made, link is up here in the video box. And then topic 4 will be how to use it in everyday life to get the maximum results. A vision board is simply a collage of all of your visual images of your dreams, goals, and affirmations. I create a vision board yearly with all of my goals and dreams into images, logos, and text. It's a very practical idea that comes from the law of attraction, which states that when you focus your mind on something, it comes to fruition. Now, we're not talking about Jedi mind tricks. This idea works because your subconscious mind actually recognizes symbols and visual images, and it is 3,000 times more powerful than your actual conscious mind. So, when creating a vision board, looking at it daily will evoke your subconscious into focusing more on your goal. The more focused you are, the more likely you are to achieve them. For example, I added a picture of the Moghul Makers logo to ensure success for the business. So how do you actually create a vision board? Now this should be fun and it should be exciting that you're creating your long-term yearly goals. Create it in a very quiet place with some music that you absolutely love in your own personal creative space. This is for your dreams and your goals. It's not for anyone else's, so please don't have any outside influences. So there are no set rules. This is personally for you. However, there are some tips to creating the actual vision board to make it more effective in achieving your goals. Also, before starting, just keep in mind that these are for the year. So have that set as a timeline, have check marks next to them, and check it off when you're finished. Now, there are 2 ways to make a vision board. Number 1 is a physical vision board, or you can also make a digital vision board. I made a vision board using a large poster, Google Images, and printing them out, and very expensive colored pens. I also went onto Amazon and I found very cheap colored pens, so I put the links in the description below. Other ways my clients have made vision boards are with a corkboard and thumbtacks, or even creating a legacy binder. If you would like to make a digital vision board, for artists, I would suggest using either Photoshop or Illustrator or even InDesign. The Adobe Suite actually has a free trial, so you can make them before the year is over. And for beginners, I would recommend either a Pinterest board, Canva.com, or PicMonkey.com. Once you have that creative space, you have your materials, the magic and the fun begins. Start by getting a piece of paper and write down a list of all of your long-term goals using the following categories of health, happiness, wealth, and success. For example, I put a picture of Grant Cardone, who is the best-selling author of the 10X Rule to 10X all of the categories in my life this year. Next is to use the SMILE method. S stands for specific. Be as specific as possible as you can with your goal. For example, I wanted to read books this year, so I set out 52 books, which is 1 book a week of nonfiction books to read on my vision board. M stands for most important to you. Focus on the goals that are extremely important and mean the most to you. I stands for images. You should have more images on your vision board than text. The text should be for powerful words that you aspire to become. L is lift up. Make your goals challenging and have a balance between challenging and easy goals. Think about your full potential and what you can actually achieve. E is evoke emotion. Focus on something that gives you great positive emotion when you actually achieve it. Make sure it's something that you truly want, even if it's materialistic, even if it's very surface level, it doesn't matter. If you want it, you will do whatever you can to achieve it. For example, I put that I wanted a dark purple Lamborghini by the end of the year. These symbols and these images actually make you want to strive to help impact the world more. So once you have all of your images out and you've cut them appropriately, put them in different categories, and then glue them on your board. Write a title and words that will make you feel empowered. I wrote my long-term goals down underneath of the image so I knew exactly what it meant. I also put little check boxes next to each image so I could check it off when it was finished. Before you start actually creating your vision board, I wanted to show you an overview of mine. Again, if you would like the tutorial for that, it's up here in the video section, or I'll put a link in the description below as well. So this is the vision board that I created. I was very happy with it, and it is for Moghul Makers for the year. You'll notice that I have a few role models on it, 5 to be exact. I have 4 different categories that I placed in it. I also have the bullets underneath to show exactly what the description is, and I have the check mark. So now that you know about vision boards and know what I did for my vision board, it's time to actually put it to use and let it be effective for you. Place your vision board somewhere you look every single day that is a very positive area for you. For my vision board, I'm placing it up on my office space to look at it every single day and to achieve my goals. For digital vision boards, have it on your cell phone as your screensaver or wallpaper and look at it daily. So I'm curious about your goals this year. Comment below for the question of the day, which is, what is your biggest goal this year? I will show you mine in the vision board tutorial, and we would love to hear from you. We answer every single comment. Be sure to check out moghulmakers.com for daily blog posts and videos. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment below, and subscribe for valuable videos. I'll see you in the next video. Productivity.